This is the NVIDIA Quadro 2000D graphics card, and it's the Quadro 2000D with a high-end professional graphics card, and it was made by NVIDIA, and it came out, launched about the 5th of September 2011. And this card, when it came out, believe it or not, if you're in the US, it cost $599. Not sure what that would equate to in euro or pounds, but that was a lot of money in 2011. The card supports DirectX 12, and it had 1024 megabytes or 1 gig of GDDR5 memory with the Quadro 2000D, which is connected using a 128-bit memory interface. The GPU is operating at a frequency of 625 MHz, and the memory is running at 650 MHz or 2.6 Gbps effective. Because it's a single slot card, the NVIDIA Quadro 2000D does not require additional power connector, so you don't need to plug any power connector or any extra power connector into this card, because it runs off the board and powered off the board, and it's rated at 62 watts maximum, which should be fine. The display outputs are, as you can see here, are 2 by DVDI connections, and I want to connect this up using the DVDI onto HDMI, which everybody uses today. So I'm going to use converters for that, but I will show you that at the end of the video. And the Quadro 2000D is connected to the rest of the system using a PCI Express 2.0 16 interface. So this just slots in here into your PCI slot. The card measures 178 millimeters in length, and it's 111 millimeters in width. So just in case you want to buy one of these to put in your own system, that's the dimensions: 178 millimeters in length by 111 millimeters in width. And it features a single slot cooling solution. So there's a cooling solution on here with this fan on the front of it here with this fan. So this cools the system down. So that's part of the card. So that cools the card. So it should keep the card nice and cool. You can pick these up fairly cheap. There's a fair few of them around at the moment, but because of the shortage of chips and stuff, I can see these going up more in price. So you can pick them up from 40 to 50 quid upwards. I've even seen them down as low as even 20 euro, 30 euro, up to over 100 euro. So it just depends again on the quality of the card. But you can pick these up to put into your own system if you're building an old system like I'm doing. So that's the NVIDIA Quadro 2000D. This is the 2000D card. Okay.